and just get the Wi-Fi connected and get the app, and we'll be back to let you know how easy that was or how hard that was. Okay, we'll go over that and be right back. Hello YouTube. Yeah, it took a little bit to figure this out, but actually overall this camera is, now I can't comment on the quality of the video, but really, because especially night vision, but it's pretty good video in the daytime. It's windy here and so on, but it is pretty good quality. And you can, like, you move your phone and the camera will follow to a certain extent. It's 110 degree, right? Yeah, it got motion detection. So I put a card in 32 gigabyte, and because it records with motion, you'll get more time on your card. But I think because I set it up, it didn't take long. Set up mostly drilling into my heave my whatever, I forget what it's called now, but in the heave, right? Drill a hole in there so I can put the cord in and plug it in. I had to drill 2 holes because one was right under the strapping and whatever. So, but I will say I'm happy with the quality during the day. At night, well, we'll wait and see. Setup, pretty easy. It did have a problem connecting to my extension, but once it got connected and so on, it's fine so far. And I have it about 200 feet maybe. The camera from my, well, that's a lie. I got my extension in my shed. That's where the camera is, on the shed. I got my extension up there, but it's about 200 feet, 150 at least, from my modem to the extension. So it works pretty good. The setup, it was pretty, like I said, it was pretty easy. Just put in your information, and the Wi-Fi, once it did connect, it's pretty good. So but download the app first and do what you need to do to register whatever, and then plug in your camera, and when you are ready to connect, just go from there, and then scan your QR code that comes up on your phone. Pretty self-explanatory, really. The mounting bracket, it's kind of I'm gonna have to say it's kind of chintzy. You know, it's cheap. It is plastic, but still, the screws, we'll see if the screws hold in, you know, because we get you know, 100-mile-an-hour winds here sometimes. So, well, the average, you know, 60 miles an hour, which is, you know, pretty good. We'll see how it withstands that. I do notice it's on as tight as I can get it, but I do notice that the camera does move a bit in the wind. It haven't set off any motion detection, or that I know. I didn't get any alerts. But you might want to set your sensitivity to medium, because I was getting alerts from you know, like birds that would fly, you know, just quickly in front of it. So, but I seen that on medium, it seemed to be pretty good. Like a bird could just quickly fly by and it wouldn't go off. But yet, the dog did go through and it went off. It sent me a an alert. So you might have to play with that. So overall, I'll try to get some video tonight. You know, I'll go stand out there and see if it picks me up and record it, and so that you guys could maybe see, you know, there is videos on this better than what I'm doing here. You know, I'm just new to YouTube, and I'm trying my best. But this is just came today, and it's already hooked up. So it is easy, but the cord sucks. It is 10 feet, I think. But, yeah, they could have put more cord. At least had a cord where you didn't have to drill, you know, a 2-inch hole or whatever to get this thing through. Something smaller would have been nice. But other than that, so far, it seems okay.